Matrix. Okay, we took the link from Zoom and we put it into Matrix. And then now we're going to show you what it looks like if you went live you're actually at the property. Okay, so first thing, this is actually an iPhone. So I installed the Zoom app, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Zoom icon. Okay, so I have to sign into the Zoom, click on Join Meeting, and then just click on New Meeting. So here you can turn on your camera and also turn on the personal ID. And then once you click Start Meeting, it'll actually ask you for permission to access your camera. Okay, and here it's going to say you might want to use the internet audio. I think I saw something this morning saying they might disable the dial-in. I think they may have been having trouble, but anyway, you'd use using the internet audio. Okay, so if you see this screen popping up, this is just a safety thing, safe driving mode. You can just swipe and then you can just jump into your live Zoom. So this is actually a live, what it looked like. You're actually broadcasting at this point. We'll talk about the settings here. So you can flip your cameras around. So zoom in. So this is what it will look like an iPhone. You can use your front camera, back camera, or if you need to end the broadcast, you can just hit end. Okay. At the bottom, you also have some more settings. Okay. So you can go ahead and mute and unmute. So let's say, like this morning, just before we started this meeting, I live closer to the airport, so I could hear the F-14s, I forget, well, F-35s take off, and then they do it very loudly. And I can mute them, and then, or if you want to hear it, I can unmute it. And then you can also see on the right-hand side the participants, so the number of participants coming in to the live broadcast. And this is one thing we were talking about earlier. I was talking with one of the agents, is that how do you capture their information? So that's something that I'm not sure about either, because some of them they're using, telling them to use the chat and then put in their information. Again, that's one of the things that you guys need to figure out how capture their information. That I'm really not sure. Okay. Or what you could do in a chat, you could actually leave, send them to your website and have them get the information there. Information meaning like the fact sheet. So you can hopefully use the fact sheet to get them to register or something like that.
Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.